Today's topic on the ultimate pure consciousness. Consciousness at its simple form is sentience or awareness of internal and external existence. Consciousness according to current science is confusing. Sometimes it is a synonym of mind or it is a state of mind. Such ambiguity always keeps this important aspect in confusion to the reach and initiation of introspection. The word consciousness, referred as Chaitanya in Sanskrit text, means spirit, intelligence or sensations. This Chaitanya is the pure consciousness of cosmic intelligence. This vital force of energies always dwell in human entire body. The reason why the consciousness is considered with three fields, they are life, pain and death. These three fields in one word defined as prana in Sanskrit text. Achieving pure consciousness of introspection is a gradual task of meditation. The self-awareness leads to improve three qualities of bodily oneness. They are thought, which means right thought should be created. Imagination, which means preserving these thoughts to establish right action. And volition, which means power of self-control and destroy of self-pleasure from thoughts and regenerate them for righteous imagination. If you heard these three qualities carefully, it proves the concept of Trinity in self. The endmost goal of all bodily soul is to know the ultimate reality of self, to this cosmic infinity, through daily practice of meditation. This ultimate goal is defined as Brahman in Sanskrit text, tells the final cause of all that exist. Do not confuse the Brahman with Brahma. Here Brahman related to ultimate reality and Brahma a part of Trinity. This Brahman is undisturbed eternal truth and eternal bliss, exists everywhere infinite cosmically. The Brahman is a metaphysics, refers to unification of our self to supreme cosmic existence. Brahman is identical to Atma. It is everywhere and inside each living beings, makes connection of oneness in all existence. The deep state of meditation takes memory to higher consciousness, seems to be absent, a dreamless sleep, coma, death modes, but in alert state. This alert state can be accomplished by change in thinking, disturbance in senses, feeling of self-control, balance of emotion, leads to understand the value of significant change. Om is the sound of cosmic divinity. It signifies the essence of ultimate reality. It refers to the sound of Atma or soul also. During the bondage of these sound, the Atma and the cosmic infinity alignment gives knowledge of absolute truth. So consciousness says, the state of consciousness has immense power of inner vision clarity. In one fact, that problem and solution are seen as one entity. Thank you so much.